Witnesses testify in Sean Diddy Combs' tearing trial. Things are starting to get bad for Diddy. This trial has went from bad to worse. This time around, more evidence has been exposed. After this video, I want you to let me know whether you think Diddy will survive this one or not. But I don't think anyone can predict the outcome of this issue. One has very tough lawyers, which is Diddy, but the rest of the government wants to see him locked up for all his alleged crimes. We're about to see live coverage and go through comments, so please stay tuned. If you enjoy the video, as a sign of appreciation, please click the like button. Please subscribe to my amazing channel. I post celebrity updates every day, so check out both playlists on my channel. Let's get into it. So you see this video here. This is an old video, but it's brought up once again in the case. It's brought up again. So I decided to check out what's going on Twitter, well X, and I kinda saw something about the Diddy trial. So I typed it here on the explore page search. I just typed Diddy trial and searched it, and to my surprise, so many things has been said about Diddy in the past few hours. You know, like look at this 2 hours ago, and most of these things posted are posted by well-established pages on social media like World Star, TMZ, Pop Base. So when platforms that are as big as these ones post such information, you just become curious, right? So I decided to go check out an article first. Read an article and probably understand why Diddy is trending actually, and not just read what people are saying, because people post opinions, right? People post opinions. So you can't always read things on Twitter. Rather go read from an established website. You know why I prefer reading articles from an established website first? Because big platforms that have their shit together, they are like they can't afford to risk how big their brand is by posting false information. So they're gonna wanna post facts. They're gonna wanna post information that is true, because they can't afford to get hit with a lawsuit or defamation of character. They can't afford that, right? So that is why I prefer such platforms first, to read and understand first before you can go on Twitter or X, and post your opinion. Because if you only post your opinions and things that is not facts, things that aren't facts, some people who genuinely want to know will fall into your trap, or your lies, or your the information that is not accurate that you give out. So it's best that they go read an article first. They go read an article and understand before they can go on X and fucking read people's opinions or tweet themselves. So let's read this article first. Well, let me check the other articles first, and not only check out this one. There are articles and recent articles that's posting about Diddy 12 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. So Diddy's name has gone viral once more. Look at so many platforms are posting about Diddy, the Diddy trial. So a lot is being said about Diddy, but which one is the most established brand from yo? The first three I know them, and I the first four actually. I always read information from these platforms. Not only these ones, even others, but I don't see them on the landing page. Newsweek. Nah, the first four, these ones. I'm going with these ones, but which one is the most recent? I'm reading the one from the most recent. So it's this one amongst this one that was published an hour ago and this one that was published 4 hours ago. Let's see ABC News. When did they publish? 2 hours ago. Okay, let's go with the most recent one from Sky News. Let's read an article from Sky News about Diddy. Understand what's going on about Diddy. Why is Diddy trending? For those of you that want to know, fuck these ads. Sean Diddy Combs trial latest. Male escort gives evidence. Rapper and producer Sean Diddy Combs is on trial in New York, facing charges of sex trafficking, racketeering conspiracies, and transporting to engage in prostitution. Damn. He denies all charges. Follow the latest from court here. How do I get this shit out here? The fuck? Wait, guys. I'm trying to get this shit out. This is the type of shit that's gonna make me go out from this website. You see? Okay. They kept me quiet. Let's read what they say. This was posted 31 minutes ago. Okay. Where are these coming from? Who tweeted this? Where's the author? Or the whole article is written by one author? Fuck it. Let's just read what the fuck they saying here. Hip hop mogul Diddy Combs is on trial accused of sex trafficking, racketeering conspiracy, and transportation to engage in prostitution. He has pleaded not guilty to all charges. During the course of the trial, there will be allegations of sexual abuse, coercion, and violence, which some may find distressing. Please leave a like if you made it this far. Please click the like button. First day of evidence finishes with reminder for jury. This was posted 32 minutes ago. So this is still new. This is still fresh information. As today's court this as today's court session draws to a close, defense attorney Xavier Donaldson cross-examines Daniel Phillip, the second witness to give evidence. Jurors earlier heard Mr. Phillip formerly worked as an escort for a few years and that he had sex with Cassie Ventura, Sean Combs' former girlfriend, on several occasions. Damn. Mr. Donaldson asked if Mr. Phillip knew his service prohibited prostitution, and he tells the court this is correct. He says he thought he was attending a bachelorette party the first time he went to see Combs and Ms Ventura Cassie, and that he was handed money by Mrs. Ventura before they had agreed on his services. What? Damn. He tells the court he and Ms. Ventura started to get intimate and that he did not think this was prostitution. At 5 p.m. sharp in New York, 10 p.m. here, Judge Aaron Subramanian thanks jurors and says they are stopping on time as promised. Wow, this was posted an hour ago with a picture. This trial of Sean Combs has only been underway a few hours and already people are queuing for a seat in the public gallery tomorrow. Damn. People wanna people are queuing for a seat in the public gallery. Don't they got shit to do? Those at the front of the line are being paid between $25 to $40 an hour to hold a spot for them. What? That's crazy. These professional line sitters will be here outside the courthouse overnight when it is expected to rain. Shit. Guys, I'm gonna read a few of these, then we can go on X and read what people are saying. But what I've been reading here is funny as fuck. One woman tells me she's experienced at the job and previously held a spot in the queue for a news organization during Donald Trump's trial when he was at the same courthouse. Short break. Judge Aaron Subramanian has called a quick break before the defense for Sean Combs carries out its cross-examination of Daniel Phillip. The court will be back in session soon. Escort tells court he saw Combs behave violently. Continuing his evidence, Daniel Phillip tells the court he would spend up to 10 hours with Combs and Ms Ventura. He alleges Combs offered him drugs, but that he did not use them, and tells the court there was one occasion when Ms Ventura might have been under the influence of drugs. Damn, Casey was on drugs. Combs opened the door. He said, "I don't think this is going to happen today," Mr. Phillips says. She looked like she was completely passed out, half on the couch and half off the couch. He says Combs had made it clear that he was to keep quiet about their meetups. He asked for my driver's license and took a picture of it and said it's just for insurance. That if I spoke about it to anybody, I understood it would be that he was threatening me, he tells the court. Mr. Philip goes on to talk about an occasion when he allegedly witnessed Combs being violent towards Ms. Ventura, Cassie, after he called to her from a different room. It's probably that video we played earlier on. Y'all remember it, right? Yeah, but I'll play that video again. I'll play it. When she told him to wait for a second, Combs came out and Mr. Phillips says he saw a liquor bottle fly past him. Shit, damn. He tells the court Combs grabbed Ms. Ventura by her hair and dragged her into the bedroom. She was screaming, he tells the court, and it sounded like Combs was slapping her. I was terrified, Mr. Phillips says. He tells the court he did not know what to do and that He did not intervene as there were several bodyguards nearby. So his bodyguards saw Diddy's bodyguards saw when he was being violent towards Cassie, Ms Ventura. Damn. He tells the court he heard another similar incident. This time, he says Ms Ventura jumped into his lap. Shaking, Mr. Phillips says he recalls, wondering why she stayed with someone who was beating her up like this. She basically tried to convince me that it's okay and I'll be okay, Mr. Phillips says. And I say, it's not okay. You need to get help. Shit. Guys, should I continue with this one or should I just go check out what people are saying on Twitter? I know for sure what people are saying on Twitter is funny as fuck, but most of what we're gonna see over there is not true, it's not fact. But I think I get what's going on. I think to you guys that were curious and did not know what was actually going on, I think you now get the idea of why Diddy is trending right now. So I wanna see what people's reactions is like so I can have an understanding of how people feel about this situation. And if you made it this far and you also listened attentively to what I'm saying, please also comment and let me know your thoughts. Do you think Diddy will be freed or do you think Diddy will be locked up? I don't know, man. It's very tricky because Diddy has a lot of money. Diddy has a lot of money. He can get the best lawyers, but now he's now fighting with the government wanting to put him behind bars because the law evidence is now being brought up, and as much as Diddy has the power, a lot of information is leaked, is exposed. We're seeing things, we're reading things. Shit, they're watching this on TV. Damn, Diddy sex trafficking trial. Juror struck for admitting that he doesn't want to stop smoking marijuana during the trial. Juror struck for admitting he stole a wand from Harry Potter world. What the fuck are they saying? Hmm. Let's go. Let's see more. Diddy allegedly forced sex worker to urinate in Casey's mouth during a freak-off. Prosecutors claim. What? What? Damn, that's crazy. We are here, guys. Let's read this. We'll read the comments right afterwards. Federal prosecutors claim Diddy forced a sex worker to urinate in Casey's mouth during a freak-off show party. Parties he allegedly organized involving escorts, drugs, and abuse. In opening statements of the sex trafficking trial, the prosecutors said Diddy coerced Casey into sex acts with male escorts while he watched and filmed. They also claim he physically abused her and another alleged victim, blackmailed them with sex tapes, and controlled every detail of these parties. Diddy has pleaded not guilty to 5 federal charges. Five federal charges. And his defense argues the encounters were consensual. What the fuck? If that shit is true, damn, Diddy a monster. Why the fuck would you make a prostitute urinate in your girlfriend's mouth? Or what? At the time, I think Casey and Diddy were dating. Yeah, why would you do that to your girlfriend? That's crazy. And then you're gonna kiss her. Damn, look at this tweet. Look at this comment. This person is saying that's kinda hot, to be honest. Nigga was probably dehydrated and drank 4 coffees before pissing. Piss was probably dark yellow. She was getting tortured in that motherfucker. After he lied about beating her, no one will believe him. Casey is the kind of chick that likes to get gangbang. Oh, damn. Is this about Casey or other stuff? What's this case about? It's a party. It's a party. who sit? Who shit in her mouth? Disturbing allegations. Diddy denies all charges. Nah, but for real, that's crazy. And apparently Diddy was filming that shit. He was filming that shit. So World Star posted that, guys. World Star posted that. You can check out this post by World Star if you wanna read more. World Star Hip Hop. You can check out World Star Hip Hop if you wanna read more. And how many comments are there? There's like 97 comments. You can go through the comment section and read, you know. But if you made it this far, I appreciate you, man. This is what I do every night, and I hope you enjoyed this session. And I'm gonna catch you all in the next video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe right now. Please, please subscribe. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Share with your friends. Comment, comment a fire emoji in the comment section. Yeah, comment a fire emoji. Go on the comment section. Comment a fire emoji. Comment the fire emoji, guys. I will know you made it this far, and I will appreciate it even more, even more. I don't even know how to put it. This is the video I played earlier on, guys. Look at how he, look at how he kicks the girl, then he steps on her, and then he drags her. Who knows where to? Damn, that's crazy, man. Yo, this nigga in the tower. That's crazy. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna see you all on the next video. If you did not catch this live stream, please make sure you catch the next one. And go on the comment section and let me know what type of video you would like you would like me to make. And if that comment gets a lot of likes, I will tap into it, and then I will do that video for the community that we're trying to build. So all of you, if you're gonna make it this far, please do comment who or which celebrity you would want me to check out. I will do that. I'm gonna see you all on the next video. Peace.